The University of Evansville's Board of Trustees has chosen Dr. William Bill Johnson as the next chair of the board. Johnson is a 1982 UE graduate who has worked as a leader in both higher education and the financial services industry. He will replace Chairman Bob Jones following 4 years of what UE calls exceptional service from the former Old National Bank chairman and CEO. Vanderburgh County Commissioners have introduced a property maintenance ordinance to encourage county residents to take care of their homes and yards. It mirrors a City of Evansville ordinance. Tyson Foods has announced a major investment in its Henderson County plant. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear says Tyson is investing nearly $23.5 million to expand and modernize the facility in Roberts. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.